We've entered the Botanical Garden. Cassava.
The little plantains. See them growing,
Yeah, yeah.
the little tiny ones?
I like Monkey Lala beverages. Spiders everywhere.
Yeah, the big one up there.
Yep,
Yeah, so we're on a spider walk.
apparently.
Fantastic. I thought he said no animals.
Here we have some mahogany trees. And really big spiders. Please keep the spiders away from me. I don't like spiders.
Oh, look, there's a sign.
What does it say?
Jungle Trail, Mountain Trail.
You doing it?
Yes.
Alright. We're going into the jungle, according to the sign.
My shoe wear is not appropriate for this.
So supposedly at the end of this jungle trail there's a beautiful view. So we're doing it. Water crossing.
Going down.
Got some strange kind of hive looking thing on this tree. Going down?
I don't know where we are.
We're on a trail in the middle of Honduras. I hear bees.
They're really big bugs.
Almost to 14,000 feet. View. Here is the mountain view. Pretty small window, but it is pretty. Down there is Anthony's Key. Come over here and take a look. There it is.
Oh yeah.
Anthony's Key Resort. Here's the top behind us. A couple little benches. And the trail back down. I just checked my guide GPS. We're at 333 feet. Heading back down.